Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to dash underline in Microsoft Excel. So let's start it. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then I show the Excel document is the text from the dash underline. From that, firstly going to the insert menu option. Now click for the shape option, then click for the line shape option, then draw a line shape in the under text. This line shape is the shape outline option. Now then again outline shape, click for the weighted option, now click for the weighted. Then again shape outline option, then click for the dash option, then click for the dash underline. That's okay. Then show the Add Dash Underline in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for